welcome back to another episode of your favorite show, my favorite show, Signal to Signal. This is an extension to Season 7. What are we testing today? Now, Hero says that they have the fastest 250 out there. But is it really the fastest 250? Time to find out. 30 horses, 24 horses, 25 Newton meters, 21.4 Newton meters, but the N250 has a weight advantage.
Aresva is on the Xtreme 250R. I am on the Pulsar N250, the iconic Pulsar.
What Glenn doesn't know is that I am super fast.
I'm already doing 104th gear and I'm not even redlining this. But that Xtreme 250 is our rocket ship. Yeah, baby, let's go! Obviously, you will hear a lighter dude, man, but dude, that thing flew. This motorcycle makes less power. I'm heavier, and you get the quicker motorcycle. Now it's time that I show you.
Acha, like that.
My time for redemption, since I am now on the Xtreme 250R. The compensation in terms of weight is there, but now it's all about the rider.
I think it's time to show him that it's not about the bike, it's about the rider.
ज्ञान कम riding ज़्यादा.
About to explode. 3, 2, 1, go!
Dude, you were on the Xtreme first and you had a fantastic launch, man.
Like I had the advantage of weight, power, torque, everything. So it was a lot of fun for me. Well, not for you.
Less power, less torque, less weight, but a heavy rider. And to add to all of that, a softer suspension setup, which is great for the city, but it doesn't work on a drag strip. In round 2, you had to switch and you got onto the Xtreme 250R and Aresva. He still had the weight advantage. You had power and torque on your side. How was it then?
Quite fast, dude. Like for the first time, a 250cc motorcycle after a very long time has been exciting.
And what about you?
Once you ride that, then there's no going back to anything else, I feel.
Yeah. On that note, thank you for watching this episode. This is just the beginning. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. And we, in this extension of Season 7, we are testing Hero's claim. Will it live up to the mark? Because in the next one, it goes up against the KTM 250 Duke. Stay tuned, stay subscribed.
6 feet tall, what I can do, like I don't have a mind of my own. From the